See, the mode is another way to measure the center of the data. So for example here, the mode is the most frequent color. Suppose these are colors, red, white, blue, and so on. So the most frequent color, the one that you see more than others. Look at here, how many blues? 1, 2, 3, I have 3 blues. How many greens? Oh, just 2. How many reds? 1, 2, 3. How about the white? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 4. Then the white is the mode because it's the most frequent color. So the answer here will be the white. So that's the mode for this data. So that's the idea, the most frequent value or the most repeated value. Here, what is the most repeated value? I think 0 seems to repeat twice, and there's no other value repeat twice. So the mode is 0. There is one mode. Don't think 0 means that there is no mode. There's a difference between saying no mode and saying the mode is 0. The mode is 0 means I have one mode, which means one value that I repeat more than others. This value is 0. Okay, so that's what the mode equals 0 means. In this example, however, if you look carefully, what is the most frequent value? What is the value that repeat more than others? You will discover nothing repeat more than others. Every value is mentioned only one time. So here we cannot say there is 0 mode. We have to say there is no mode. Okay, so or in other words, we cannot say the mode is 0 because that would be a wrong statement. We can say there is no mode, or yeah, I guess you can say there is 0 mode as well. That means no mode. Okay, so there's a difference between the mode is 0 and there is no mode. Now how about this? How many values repeat now? Look at the 3 repeated twice and the 7 repeated twice as well. So is it possible to have 2 modes? Yes, you can have 2 modes, 3 modes, 4 modes. There is no problem. Depends on the data. So here I have 2 modes, 3 and 7. So that's the idea of the mode. It's the most frequent value, the value that repeat more than others. And suppose I have the 3 mentioned one more time here, so 3 times. In this case, the mode will be just 3. Just 3, because 3 will be repeating 3 times, and 7 repeated only 2 times. So I have one mode, which will be 3. So that's the idea of the mode, and you notice here the interesting part about it. It's the only measure of center that work for qualitative data. This is qualitative data now. This is not numbers, and I still can get the center for this qualitative data through the measure that is the mode. So the mode is the only central measure that will calculate the center of the data for qualitative data. I have qualitative data and I still can get the center, which is the mode.